Here's how we can switch wireless carriers on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So on the iPhone, we mostly have the eSIM support, so no physical SIM cards are inserted into the iPhone normally. And if you, for example, have multiple eSIMs, if you have like the dual SIM setup, and when you get inside of the phone app, you can see that when I go to the keypad, I can type in a phone number, and if I want to switch which wireless carrier is used to make that call, all I have to do is to tap on the button in the top left corner and decide if I use, in my case, primary line or secondary line, which are the two carriers which I'm currently using, so I can switch between them when I'm making the phone call, for example. But in order to switch between them on a deeper level, sort of, you have to open up the settings app where at the top you can find the cellular section. And in there, you can, for example, choose the cellular data and which SIM card is going to be used for them, right? So you can see I can pick one or the other or turn it off completely. So that's how you can switch wireless carriers for internet support or mobile data, right? And then also below, I have a couple of SIM cards, so a couple of them are available. I can only use two at the same time, but I can have many more available. So I can, for example, tap on one SIM card and turn this line on, but then I have to turn off another one, and that's how I can switch between these carriers. So as you can see, I can have like 6 SIM cards installed at the same time, but I can only use 2 of them at the same time. And the point is that you can enable them or disable them with the toggle which says turn on this line. So that's how you can switch between them. I hope I was able to explain it the way that it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.